Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and software are ready. The phone must support Face ID, and Messenger needs the latest update. Once done, go to iPhone settings, open Face ID and passcode, and enroll or verify your face so the system recognizes you reliably. Make sure to authenticate in good light. This reduces false rejects. Then open Messenger, and when prompted, grant the app permission to use Face ID. This links the security layer to your messages directly. Next, enable Messenger's app lock so Face ID protects conversations. In Messenger, tap your profile, then Privacy, and find App Lock or Security. Once there, toggle Require Face ID and select a lock timing that fits your workflow, immediately for max privacy or 1 minute for convenience. Make sure to observe the on-screen confirmation. Messenger will now request Face ID on reopening. After applying settings, close the app and reopen it to confirm the biometric prompt appears as to finish, tighten, or relax settings. Enable attention detection in Face ID settings for stricter checks, or disable it if recognition is too sensitive. If Face ID repeatedly fails, re-enroll your face. Reset Face ID in iPhone settings and register again in consistent lighting. This often fixes recognition issues. Make sure Messenger has camera/Face ID permission. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Messenger to refresh permissions. If nothing works, restart the phone. Often a reboot resolves lingering software glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.